You've probably experienced this without realizing it. You start talking to a girl. The vibe is good. She's replying fast, laughing, asking questions, and you think, okay, this is working. So you double down, more messages, more availability, more effort. And then something shifts. Replies slow down. Energy drops. She feels distant. You didn't mess up. You just stayed too long. Here's what most guys don't understand. Attraction doesn't grow from constant attention. It grows from contrast. Psychologists call this the scarcity effect. When something feels slightly unavailable, the brain assigns it more value. That's why limited editions sell out. That's why people want what they can't fully have. And yes, this applies to attraction too. Let me make this practical. Imagine you're texting her, and the conversation is flowing. Instead of dragging it for hours, you end it first, calmly and confidently. Not like, okay, bye. Just, this was fun, talk later. That's it. That small pullback does something powerful. Her brain goes from enjoying the attention to noticing its absence. That's when curiosity kicks in. Another example. You meet her in person. You're present, relaxed, playful. She feels good around you. Then, you leave first. Not rushed, not apologetic, just grounded. You didn't disappear. You just didn't overstay. That emotional shift is what stays with her. Studies on attraction show that intermittent reinforcement, that is warmth followed by space, creates stronger emotional attachment than constant reward. Translation? Being good all the time feels nice. Being good, then slightly unavailable, feels memorable. Even compliments work this way. One honest compliment, then back to normal conversation. No stacking praise, no chasing her reaction. That unpredictability signals confidence. This is push-pull. You pull her in with presence, then you give her room to feel it. You're not playing games, you're respecting timing. The men who attract effortlessly aren't doing more. They're doing less but at the right moments. Want to become attractive? Click on this video because in this video I have decoded the psychology of attraction in 3 minutes. Believe me, your time wouldn't be wasted. Click here. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk with you in this video. Thanks for your time.